Born for war, but living for revenge. He is the last remaining genetic infantryman. He is the Rogue Trooper. Created to fight in the endless war between the Naughts and the Southers on the planet New Earth, the GIs were the ultimate soldiers, bioengineered with enhanced abilities to survive unaided in New Earth's poisonous wastelands and fight the Nordland regime. But after his comrades are wiped out in the notorious Quartz Zone massacre, Rogue is the only GI left, and he pursues the traitor general who betrayed them through this chemical and biological hell in a quest for revenge. He's not alone though, for he carries with him the consciousnesses of 3 of his fallen brothers as biochips implanted into his equipment. Helm sits in his helmet, Gunnar controls his rifle, and Bagman, you guessed it, controls his backpack. Written by Jerry Finley Day, with its clever genre mashup of sci-fi and war comics combined with military jargon and stunning art from Dave Gibbons, Brett Ewins, Colin Wilson and many others, Rogue is one of the most popular characters from 2000 AD. After his quest was completed, the strip struggled to find a direction, and even The Hit, in which shady aliens use Rogue to assassinate high-ranking officers in order to end the war, couldn't re-establish its purpose. In 1989, Dave Gibbons returned as scriptwriter for a hard reboot of Rogue Trooper in War Machine. A second-generation genetic infantryman created by the Clavel Corporation, Friday was also the sole GI survivor, but this time without the biochips. While Gibbons' story and Will Simpson's atmospheric artwork make the first series worth it, under the pen of writer Michael Fleischer, the further adventures of Friday quickly descended into cliché and confusion. When he then meets the original Rogue, the series lost all coherence, and despite a late rally under writer Steve White, Rogue's time seemed to have passed. A familiar face later popped up in space medical series Mercy Heights, and there have been flashback tales since, but Rogue's most effective appearances have been as a supporting character in Jaeger, a series about a Naught war crimes investigator, and Hunted, which explores the story of the traitor general. Follow the original Rogue Trooper into battle with the 4 volumes of Rogue Trooper Tales of New Earth and the collected War Machine, all available from 2000 AD's web shop and apps. Well, do let us know what you think about the 2000 AD ABCs, as next week we travel to a very different kind of Victorian Britain with Scarlet Traces.